Good day to you. You are welcome today. So today we are going to look on the secrets behind what? That is the secret of factorization method of what? Of quadratic equation. The secret is so simple. The secret is that if the determinants, this is what we call the determinant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to a perfect square, then the quadratic equation, that is the given quadratic equation, can be what? Can be factorized. But if you check for this and it is not equals to a perfect square number, that is a number which you can find the roots, as in that the root will give you what? Will give you a whole number. So if you check for b square minus 4ac and it's not the perfect square number, that means such quadratic equation cannot be factorized. You cannot use a factorization method to factorize such quadratic equation. So you can go for other method. We have the formula method, we have the completing the square method. That will be sweet for such question. But if you use this, you won't get the answer. You use a factorization method for such question, you won't get the answer. So firstly, if you are given a quadratic equation and you want to use factorization method, try to check fast for this. If it gives you a number which is a perfect square, then you are free to go ahead and finish it up fast. But if not, go for the other method. So let's test what I'm trying to tell you, what we are saying. Let's try to test it by these given examples. So we are going to test for what? Test for minus b square minus 4ac. If it gives us what? Perfect square, that means we can use factorization method to factorize such quadratic equation. So we'll start with number 1. So in a given quadratic equation, this is in this number 1, you are having what? X square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So here the coefficient of this place is what? A, which is what? 1. So your b is the coefficient here, which is what? 1. That is 1x. That is here 1x squared. So you have to choose the coefficient here. So while your c is what? Minus, that is the constant, is what? Is what? 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 here. So let's pick the determinants which I've said earlier here and test for this. So we have b squared minus 4ac. So let's input with a, b, c, and this a, b, c here too. So let's test. If it gives us a perfect square number, then we can use factorization method to simplify this quadratic equation. So this is b. So we have b squared minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is minus 2. So we simplify for this. This is 1, that is 1 square, which is 1. Then this is minus 4, yeah, into bracket of multiply these two together will give you minus 2. So continue, this is 1, this multiply by this will give you what? 8. That is minus times minus will be what? Plus. Then 4 times 2 will be what? 8. Then it is what? 9. So 9, then that means 9 is what? Is a perfect square number, because you can write 9 as 3 raised to the power of 2. So and if you check for the root of 9 is what? 3. So 9 is a perfect square number. That means you can factorize this quadratic equation. You use factorization method, you get your answer. You get the root of this quadratic equation. So number 2 again, I'm having the same thing. I'm having x squared minus 10x. Same procedure we have to do for this, plus 21 equals 0. So let's bring our determinants, which is what? Determinants, which is b squared minus 4ac. So let's test. We have our a as what? There's not 1 is here. My b is what? Minus 10. So my c is what? Is 21. My c is what? 21. So b square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4a, which is 1, c, which is 21, which is what? 21. So continue. Here we have minus times minus, which is plus. Then 10 square will be what? 10 square will be 100. Then minus this 4. Let's multiply all this together. 4 times 1 times 21. That is 4 times 21, which is 84. 84. So 100 minus 84. 100 minus 84 will be what? 100 minus 84 will be what? 16. So, and 16 is what? Is a perfect square number. 16 is a perfect square number. That means you can what? You can factorize this quadratic equation and you get your root. So the third one again, I have what? Minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So let's test. My a here is what? Minus 2. My b here is what? Is plus 5. While my c here is what? Is 3. So b square minus 4ac, let's test for it. B is what? 5. Then minus 4a, where's my a? Minus 2. Then c, which is what? 3. So that is we have 25, that is 5 square, minus, that is minus times minus will be plus. So this multiplied by this multiplied by this, that is 4 times 2 times 3, which is 24. So 24 plus 25 will be what? Will be 49, which is what? 49. That is 7 raised to the power of 2. That is the square root of this will be 7. So that means it's a perfect square number. So you can what? You can factorize this type of quadratic equation too. So the last one with me here again that we have to test, we have 2x squared, which is the fourth one, minus 9 plus 5 for 0. So my a here is 2, my b here is what? Is minus 9, while my c here is what? Is 5. So I have b squared minus 4ac. So b minus 9 squared minus 4a, which is 2, and c, which is 5. So let's test. This is 81, that is 9 squared. This 9 squared 81. Then minus, this is 4 times 2 times 5, which is 4 times 2, that is 2 times 5, 10. 10 times this will be what? 40. So 81 minus 40 will be what? 41, right? That is 81 minus 40 will be what? 41. What? 41. Is 41 a perfect square? 41 is not a perfect square number. So such quadratic, you cannot factorize this type of quadratic. So if you check like this, just go by what? Go by formula method or completing the square method, then you will arrive at the answer. So this is the secret behind what? This is the secret behind using what? Using factorization method for quadratic equation. Not all quadratic equation we can use this factorization method for. So if you want to know maybe you can use, whether you can use it or not, just try to use your determinant square minus 4ac. You know what you mean, you know what we mean by b, you know what we mean by a, you know what we mean by c from your given equations. So just insert it here. If it gives you a what? Perfect square method, that is a number that you can find the root as a whole number, that can give you its root as what? Whole number. That means you can use such you can use factorization method to solve what? To solve such quadratic equation. So have a look and try to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.